So the first question you see here is, why is information about carbon critical to understanding the molecules of life? What did I say repeatedly? Carbon's the backbone of all, carbon's the center of all biological molecules. We said there's several elements that we talked about: carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, and sulfur. All of the biomolecules have carbon. All of them have hydrogen. All of them have oxygen. Like, all of them. There's none of the elements we talked about, none of the molecules, none of the four, not lipids, not nucleic acids, not proteins, and not carbohydrates. None of them were lacking carbon. And it says, is the only element that can form triple bonds. Well, that's not true. That's not true. First of all, we didn't talk about triple bonds. That's number one. And secondly, we said carbon forms 4 bonds, not 3. And thirdly, we know nitrogen forms 3 bonds. So it makes no sense. So this B should not have been even in your wheelhouse. It's the result of vitalism. We haven't talked about vitalism. This is obviously a distractor. So if you chose that one, I guess I'd have to ask why you chose it. Because it sounded good? And it is able to cause dehydration synthesis. Carbon's not involved in dehydration synthesis. Dehydration synthesis is between hydrogen and oxygen, right? To make water. So this doesn't make sense. It's involved in that the bond between the carbons are made, but that's not what they're asking. So realistically, the only possible right answer here is A. The only possible right answer. And if you've been paying attention, for the last 3 weeks, we've been talking about carbon at the center of everything. Right? Organic chemistry is a study of compounds containing. If you had this choice, it says organic. What do you think of when you think of the word organic? Natural, right? Living, life, right? So that's really not the origins of it, but that's fine. Organic means it has to do with life, and that at least I hope you know, we haven't talked about hydrogen or helium. Helium should be out of your brain. If you chose B, again, why? Oh, did I give you your answers? I haven't given your answers back. And I'm posting this right now, actually.